Martha has a website called marthamaze.com. Let's see what her site looks like. This site is going to look much different in just a few minutes because Martha has decided it's time for a new site. We can test Martha's hosting service with a local host computer running XAMPP. XAMPP is cadaver. It has no customer support. Now let's pretend for the moment that this local host computer is an actual hosting service. Why? Well, for one, you'll see what you're paying for, and number two, you'll have more of an appreciation for customer support when in fact you do call them. All website files are located in the htdocs folder. I'll create a folder called Martha Maze. Next, I need the core Joomla files. I'll grab the most up-to-date core files of Joomla's content management system from the Joomla site. I take my compressed Joomla core file and put it in this folder, the htdocs folder, and I extract all files in the same folder. Now I go to my browser, type in localhost, Martha Maze, and I have a fresh installation of Joomla. Create a user, password, and database. I call this one Martha, and it's best for you to write down the login information in a password book for all your passwords. Next, go to the back end of your website and log in. Go to Extensions, Install. We have these other files for a new site in a separate folder. We need the JoomShaper template, the SP Pagebuilder, and a license key. This license key will give me access to JoomShaper's learning management system for free. We make the JoomShaper Helix template the default template. Now when you go to the site, which is called the front end, the Helix template shows. Let's get rid of this display that says Home.